Well, hello, and welcome to Orange Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the tail light signal bulb on a 2012 Grand Cherokee. All right, so I am in El Salvador right now. This is my sister-in-law's 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and the tail signal is out. I looked it up. The bulb's supposed to be 3057, but as you'll see, I have had a hard time finding it. But the only thing you're gonna need to replace this is a screwdriver, and that's gonna be it. That's what I'm gonna be doing today. All right, so I am at the Condo Parts in El Salvador, San Salvador, in the Marriott area, and I picked up a bulb. It's a 3157. They didn't have 3057, so we'll see if this works for our Grand Cherokee. All right, so you have two tabs here. That's all you need to do to release the entire lens. Comes right out. Now the bottom bulb is the rear, the reverse light. So it's a white light. Then you have this here. So we're gonna twist it, pull it out, and there's your bulb. Pretty burnt up. 3157. That's what we're gonna replace it with. In. Put it in and then rotate, and that's it. Gonna slide these posts, there's two of them, into those holes. All right, it's in there. Let's put these back. And now we'll test out the lights. And it's working. All right, well, thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped you out. It's a pretty simple procedure, but just knowing how to do it just helps out. You need to get the bulb. It sounds like the 3157 bulb worked. It was 3057 what it called for. 3157 seems to do the job. Now there's two filaments in this. One is for the brake light and the other one's for the turn signal. So make sure you get the right kind of bulb and test it out and make sure that the brakes are also working. I've already tested out, the turn signal works. When you apply the brakes work, so everything looks like it's working. So hopefully this helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you at the next one. Y'all take care and stay safe.